Many IMGs end up applying to the multiple specialties during the same ERAS season. For example, you will see IMGs applying to IM and FM together, Neuro and Psych together, or so on. So in this class, we discuss, is it really a good strategy? Which profiles can actually benefit and use this strategy of applying to multiple specialties? What are the pitfalls you should be avoiding if you are considering this strategy? How do you balance the ERAS CV and letters of recommendation if you are applying to multiple specialties? These and other tips and tricks are discussed by our panelist physician as he discusses how do you apply to multiple specialties. He discusses in this class that if you do it carefully and with planning, it can help you maximize your interviews. But if it is done randomly, it can hurt your match chances and reduce the number of interviews you eventually get. So watch this class and let us know if you have any questions. If you are an enrolled Sarthi student and you have issues accessing this class, contact our support team at contact@usmlesarthi.com. If you are not enrolled with USMLE Sarthi yet and are interested in our classes, our match plans, go to the website www.usmlesarthi.com to get more information about the enrollment.